Restoring chat on Roblox Xbox, is it possible?
Hello, fellow Roblox gamers. Today we're going to tackle an often asked question. Is it possible to restore the chat feature on Roblox Xbox version? This is a common issue many Xbox players encounter while playing Roblox. Let's dive right into the details.
What happened to the chat feature on Xbox?
For those who might not be aware, the chat feature on Roblox is an integral part of the game for many players, enabling interaction with others. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Roblox on Xbox does not have a traditional chat feature like its PC or mobile counterparts. The chat feature was not included in the Xbox version of Roblox due to Xbox's guidelines and restrictions for user safety, particularly geared towards protecting younger players.
So, can we restore the chat?
The simple answer, unfortunately, is no. Given that the chat feature was never present on the Xbox version of Roblox to begin with, it's not a matter of restoration. As it stands, this is a decision that would have to be taken by both Roblox Corporation and Xbox, considering their policies and guidelines on user interaction and safety.
What alternatives are there?
Though the traditional chat feature is not available, there are still ways to communicate with others while playing Roblox on Xbox. Xbox Live Party Chat. This feature allows you to voice chat with your Xbox friends. You can use this feature to talk to your friends while playing Roblox. Roblox's Quick Chat. This is a system that allows you to select from a list of preset phrases to communicate. While this does not offer the flexibility of a full chat system, it does provide some form of communication. While it's disappointing that the chat feature isn't available on the Xbox version of Roblox, the safety of younger players is the priority. The available alternatives, though not as versatile, provide some form of communication during gameplay. Remember to respect one another and enjoy your game time. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!